Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something called N8N. It's this awesome open source tool that can save you a ridiculous amount of time by making workflow automation, well, not so mysterious. So let's dive right in. All right, let me ask you something. Does your day ever feel like you're just stuck in this loop of copying something from one app, say a spreadsheet, and then pasting it into another, like your email, over and over again? It's so repetitive, right? And honestly, it's just a massive waste of time. Well, what if I told you there's a way to just stop doing that forever? Yep, there is a much, much better way. And here's the kicker. You don't have to be some coding genius to pull this off. Not a single line of code is needed. This is all about bringing the power of automation to everyone. And that's where N8N steps onto the scene. So what is it? Think of N8N as a kind of universal translator for all your apps. It's this open source tool that basically builds bridges between the different software you use every single day, letting them talk to each other and get stuff done for you automatically. And again, no coding required. Okay, so to really get how N8N does its magic, you just need to know about 3 core ideas. Seriously, that's it. These are the Lego bricks you'll use to build any automation. Let's break them down. First up, we've got the workflow. A workflow is basically the master plan, It's the whole recipe from start to finish. It's the complete set of instructions that says, okay, when this happens, do this, then that, to get a specific job done. All right, so if the workflow is the recipe, then the node is just one step in that recipe. It's a single action. Think of it like chop the onions, or in our case, send an email, or update a database. You just link these nodes together, one after another, to build out your entire workflow. And last but not least, the trigger. This one's super important. The trigger is what kicks the whole thing off. It's the starting gun. It's that one specific event that yells, go, to your workflow. And it could be anything, really. A new form submission, a new sale, a new email, you name it. Okay, so that's the theory, right? Workflows, nodes, triggers. Got it. But theory's one thing. Let's make this real. Let's see how these pieces actually fit together in a real-world example. So picture this. A new lead fills out a form on your website. Now, the old way, the before N8N way, you'd have to see the notification, go find the info, copy it, open up your email, paste it, type out a message, and then hit send. So much work. But with N8N, the second they hit submit on that form, boom, a personalized welcome email is already in their inbox, instantly, automatically. So how does that actually work with the building blocks we just talked about? It's super simple, really. The trigger, that's the new form submission from, say, Typeform. That kicks everything off. And what's the next step? It's an action node, in this case, a Gmail node, whose only job is to send that email. So you've got your trigger and then your action. That's the whole workflow. And that right there, that's the whole point. A new lead feels valued because they get an instant professional welcome. And you didn't have to do a thing. No clicking, no copying, no pasting, just pure time-saving magic. That's what this is all about. So now you know the basics, right? You've got the fundamental pieces, which leads to the really exciting question. What are you going to build with this? Because honestly, the possibilities they're pretty much endless. We're talking everything from sorting your personal to-do lists to running massive business operations. So let's just recap that toolkit one more time, super quick. The workflow is your big picture plan. The node is the single step, the one action, and the trigger. That's what gets it all started. That's all you need to remember to get going. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. What's that one thing you do every day? That one super tedious, boring, copy and paste task that just drives you crazy? What's the first thing you'd love to automate away forever? Because finding that answer, that's where your journey begins.